Well, that's not right.
Crack to the rim on the outside.
Yeah.
Which,
Little,
I can't really weld that.
little broken. Well, none of the rest of this looks bent or battered. Let's see if I can get this on camera though. Yeah, right here you can see this gap. If you come over to this side, you can see there's not supposed to be a gap there. This is where this frame rail has bent. Also, you can see how crooked that is. And you look at this bolt and this right here. And
The one thing that I don't understand that has me concerned is this gap right here. This is supposed to be up against that.
well, I think that's from where the frame moved passenger side a ways. It brought this bracket with it, and that's why it slid on this. Is because all of this just moved that way a little bit.
I want that to be it because how the fuck do we fix that?
That's the problem. Is no matter what, this is not an easy fix. Frame damage is not good. If this was a road car, it would probably be totaled.
Yeah.
So
Because it's a race car, and I say this tentatively, what we may end up doing, discussed, is cutting the ass off of this thing and doing a full tube frame.
basically right about here-ish, chop all that off, and then get a whole bunch of stuff like this. And yeah, that would be an enormous project and take forever.
We don't have to, if we're rebuilding an entire rear tube frame for this thing, we don't need to build it using Porsche parts.
That is very true.
We're gonna have to build new shock towers. So why the hell build them so that they only fit the Boxster shocks?
There's no good way out of this, basically.
No.
Because if we were to find, like, I know specialized frame shops exist that could probably straighten this out, but where and how much would that cost versus...
The amount it would cost, yeah, it wouldn't be fucking worth it. So honestly, we should be able to build our own frame and build our own connecting arms and all these other things and still retain just the factory hubs. Because the nice thing about retaining the factory hubs is that we can then also keep the brake calipers. You don't have to worry about getting new ones or
brake
building
calipers
new
and
ones.
axles.
Yeah, the brake calipers and axles would be able to stay without us having to fabricate something to mount them all.